Yon, good evening. Medyo magulubok, no? So, anong oras na ba? 10:30 ng gabi. Ah, so, kakasimula lang ng work ko nung 9. Um, okay, dito nga pala sa channel ko. Nakalagay Ed as, or Ed, your VA, or your tinatawag nating virtual assistant. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea, no, so sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ano ba yung tinatawag nating virtual assistant, no? When we say virtual assistant, ito yung parang in layman's term, ito yung parang secretary. Okay, so when we say secretary, alam niyo na, 'di ba? Pagka secretary ka ng isang company, so lahat ng iutos ng boss mo, like for example, tawagan mo si ganito, i-email mo sa ganito, okay, follow up mo si ganito. So ganun lang din, parehas lang yung virtual assistant sa parang secretary. Now there are some tasks na pinapagawa yung boss or yung client. I've been working with this client since 2019 pa, bago pa mag-pandemic, so ang tagal na rin. And until now, yun pa rin ang ginagawa ko. I was promoted as a trainer, a senior training specialist. Pero pinag-focus muna ako dito kasi meron naman akong i-train na rin na trainer. Okay? Parang kung sa BPO company or sa call center, tawag doon ay product trainer. So ginagawa ko na lang doon, parang minsan tinitignan ko yung mga trainees, okay, yung mga paano ba yung mga training nila, no? Pero pinag-focus ako sa isang task, okay, which is nagtatrack ng shipment. Okay? Pag sinabi nagtatrack ng shipment, by the way, ito nga palang company ko ay isang logistics company sa United States. And obviously, kaya panggabi yung trabaho ko. Okay, so nagtatrack ng shipment. Ano ba yung pagtatrack ng shipment? Parang pagka kayo sa Lazada or sa Shopee, di ba? Inaalam nyo nasa na ba yung shipment ko. Okay? So ngayon, paparinig ko sa inyo paano ba mag-track ng shipment. So ito, ang ETA or yung tinatawag na estimated time of arrival is today, which is June 19. Okay? So tatanong natin, nasa na ba yung shipment na to. Sige, dial tayo. By the way, hindi ko nga pala pwedeng ipakita, no? For, of course, policy ng company, hindi ko pwedeng i-disclose yung mga, let's say, tools na ginagamit namin. Pero paparinig ko sa inyo. Paano ba? Okay. So, 1, 8, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, and 80. Tatawagan natin ay sa New York. Okay.
Thank you for calling Estes. You have reached our
Estes, ito
Newburgh,
yung
New York
carrier nila,
terminal.
or
If you know your
parang
party's 4-digit extension,
sa
you
Lazada,
may enter it
Shopee,
at any
ganun.
time. For pickups, press 1. For tracking, press 2.
Tracking.
To speak with an appointment clerk, press 3. To schedule a pickup, press 1.
Good morning, Estes. Debbie speaking.
Oh, hi, good morning. This is Ed, and I'm with Global Trends. I'm calling about this pro number, whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Yeah, that will be 164-227-6331.
What was the last two digits?
Number 3 and number 1.
All right. Oh, this is scheduled for today.
Yeah.
Let me ask. Hold on.
Okay,
Let me find it.
not a problem.
Peanut packs in and gravel and Huguenot is
Day shipping, global freight forwarding, or anything in between. Estes
So,
has you
naka-hold
covered.
ako.
We'll be with you shortly.
Confirm niya dun sa dispatch or sa driver. Out for delivery niya daw eh. Or naka-schedule siyang i-deliver na ngayon sa consignee or consignee or customer.
Shipping to or from him.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Hi. It got loaded on the wrong truck, so it has to be tomorrow. I'm sorry.
Oh no. So
Yeah.
so you guys
I mean, one of ours. So we didn't send it at it. We just put it on the wrong delivery truck that's not going to Huguenot.
Mm-hmm.
But we can get it to you tomorrow, for sure.
Okay. I need an assurance about
Alright.
that. Okay. All right. Well, I guess that's it for today. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yun. Naikarga sa maliit truck. So may mga ganyan, no? Ikakarga na dapat para ma-deliver na sa customer. However, yun nga, naikarga sa maliit truck. When we say maliit truck, siguro iba dapat yung destination. Kumbaga, sa Quezon City dapat yung i-deliver, pero naikarga yung sa truck na papuntang Makati. Okay, parang ganun. So, pero in-assure naman niya tayo na madi-deliver naman bukas. Pero ang ganito, so syempre hindi natin pwedeng tanggapin lang yung assurance na yon. Kailangan tatawagan ko pa rin siya bukas to make sure na dumating na nga. Okay, nakuha uli nila yung freight. Hindi nga pala parcel, no? It's freight. Okay, kasi mas malalaki. Yung nabalik ba sa kanila yung freight. Tapos kung may di-deliver din bukas. So ganun lang kasimple, no? Kung paano siya mag-track ng shipment. So ganito yung ginagawa ko. Actually 1 to 2 hours tapos na ako dito. Then after nyan, isa rin sa mga task ko ang lead generation. So kukuha ko ng mga leads. Meron kaming system dito na pinagkukuha ko ng leads. And then after ko makakuha ng leads, saka ko magko-cold calling. Okay? Cold calling napakadali. Okay? Parang ganito rin. So, yun. So, ganun lang kadali. So, madalas ito lang ginagawa ko for how many years na? Since 2019. And masaya, madali. Hindi nakaka-pressure yung trabaho. You don't need those KPIs na tinatawag na katulad dun sa BPO, no? Walang ganito, walang ano sa amin. And yun nga, pwede kong gawin to anytime. Okay, so yun lang. So binigyan ko lang kayo ng idea sa ginagawa ko. Susunod papakita ko sa inyo paano ba mag cold calling. Okay, bye bye.